In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Password Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then just click on this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Click on Google Password Manager and select any password to edit by clicking on it and entering your current screen lock. Finally, use Edit button and change wherever you want to. Then select Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!